morning, and we're somewhere in LA, bro. So we're about to head out to Vegas, I think. We're about to head out to the Nicky show, baby. We got Ken, we got Otto, and we got Lisito. So I thought we were gonna roll deeper, but everybody else didn't like tough.
Look what we dipping in. 2 hours and a half.
We're gonna be cruising, bro.
Nah, it's not even 18. We're gonna be making it over there. So,
hey, we're gonna show the haters that this shit drives good.
And you ain't even know, we don't do oil changes over here, we just add oil.
oh, dang, le faltaba como 2 litros.
You on the off cam, bro.
Alright, we gone. We gotta go see some burnouts. Try to swing the limo today. Nah, I'm just playing, guys. we gone, guys. Look, check it out what we got here. Luisito's the bag.
¿Qué pasó, primo? Hey, how much you get?
Hey, we need to put a twin turbo on one of those.
Alright, so quick pit stop because we need some E85. We are running low. I think we have like an hour left.
So this is the moment of truth. We're gonna see how many gallons it takes to fill it back up. We filled up in
LA?
Yeah, it was LA, South Central. And we drove it. We're off of, I don't even know what
right off.
this is.
Oh, I'm not sure the exit, but.
The 5 and the 99.
Yes, a 5 and 99. Little Chevron
So
E85.
right oh, that's a beautiful sign right there. That's huge. You can't miss that on the road, bro. But we are gonna see how many gallons it takes to fill it back up and get to the event. We're in, now we're out. So we already drove an hour and
Right here is just gonna start getting hot already, huh? So
yeah,
it's gonna start getting warm.
And they fucked up like more than half a tank in an hour. And we were coasting it. We were chilling.
Yeah.
We did, well, the hill going up, I did have to drop it in overdrive and, you know, go up a little bit, but
the temperature's looking like.
I showed him. I recorded. That shit was chilling, bro. Shout out to the sponsors.
Hey, big shout out to my man. What? I couldn't do them without, man. Alright, South Transmission.
Yep.
Hey, that top notch differential though, we haven't put it to work, but we're gonna get there.
Top
soon.
notch diff.
South Transmission. Oh.
Drive shaft.
Oh yes, yes, he helped us.
You can't forget about Beats built.
Yes, sir.
Autoloc built the motor. Ricky helped us throughout the whole
Assembled
deal.
everything.
Taco tuned
He
it.
was there the whole time.
And then the transmission, South Transmission, baby. That motherfucker made it through that gate, man, like you know.
Hey, shout out
Hell
to my
yeah.
tuner though. Alright, you ain't even
Yes,
know it.
yes,
Good
yes. Shout out Taco, baby. Oh man, that's a good little nap right now.
Man, this was sleep. Bro, we are 2 hours in. We came to eat.
Some McDonald's. Cause
The breakfast is 9 in the morning.
oh
We're trying to get front row seats at the limo.
yeah, we gotta get some good parking with the limo. Well, it's been driving good so far.
I want to give a special thanks to my pariente Johnny from Las Vegas for letting us use this cheap welder. Well, it was a good welder, but this is how we welded this. And I want to give a special shout out to Omar, because Omar welded this. And as you can see, we have a big leak right here, but the weld's been holding up since Las Vegas. Shout out to that cheap welder we used. Because everybody's been talking shit about those welds, this and that.
Yeah.
And it wasn't him. And it was, we were crunch time, day of show. We have no gas, not the right. Well,
Everything
all
was-
types of stuff, you know. It's all right, baby. They holding on. They
We
holding
here,
on.
we here, right here. up, bro?
What
What we gonna get? What we gonna get? Damn, I wanna know michelada on the line. And I take out the back seat. Holy shit! Oh yeah, baby, we here early. We need front row. We need front row. What's up, bro? Check it out. Check it out. We got space up in here. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
They put it in the pit for a reason. And that reason is because they're going to swing around it.
Yeah. I mean, it's cool. I'm going to sit down in the middle of the side. Yeah.
It's from a what's that Ford truck called? The Ranger, the Ford Ranger. No. It's a Ford Ranger motor with twin turbo.
It's an LS.
Bro, this is the Lincoln. It's a Ford Ranger motor.
Yeah.
It's a Ford Ranger motor.
Give me your camera out, T. Give me with the entourage.
Yeah.
Am I lying though? This motherfucker ain't gonna slide.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to see. What's up later on?
Hey, me, you, him, all bitches. I'll just rush bitches.
Hell
right
yeah.
Here. You feel me?
You brought some bitches or what?
It's my two sisters.
You brought your sisters.
I'll match y'all. I am. Give me two.
All right.
Everything.
Thank you. Hello. Yeah? Oh, it's ours. This is a team build right here. Yeah.
What's up? We want to get in here.
Oh, hop up in here.
Swing.
Oh, swing? Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Oh, y'all got big ice. Y'all niggas is not playing.
Oh, we chilling.
Oh, no doubt. No
Chisel, dizzle, my nizzle.
You got a bottle.
Hey, y'all ain't no sheriff's film, bro? Like, you know what
I've never seen it. Not before.
Nah.
All right. Not for real. This is your guys' right here?
Yeah.
We do YouTube.
Yeah.
You said YouTube.
Yeah.
You hung up already?
Yeah. President was calling.
President? Oh, presidential?
Yeah.
I guess it's time, guys. It's that fucking time to go burnout in the limo.
We don't know if it's gonna work, but
Should I try to do this with the two-step or no two-step?
two-step.
No, I need it to rev.
Okay. Up to you.
The mechanic, you want to do whatever he wants. He can get the first burnout in it. If you guys think it's going to swing again, you got to start off with like over here. Fuck it, huh?
We're gonna knock out.
We're going to lift it up with the jack a little bit from the back. Nah, we're not going to put that like that. It's going to come out.
It tastes like straight candy.
This video is brought to you by Soul. Psych, who about to do it? Burnout with the limo? You want to put some
install on the tires. Oh, we got the water back there.
We got water, look. We gotta throw water under the limo. Oh man, crazy.
What else do we do? Is it gonna do a burnout with that 2800 saw? I don't know.
More water.
You got no brakes either.
Tell him to go forward. Hold it down. It's going. What the fuck? This was in the air. Right now, this was in the air. What the fuck? Throw some WD-40 on the wheel. Hey. Fight this motherfucker. Chris. What the fuck? I don't know how.
We gotta let that motherfucker up in the air. It took like 5 tries.
Bro.
It took like 10 tries, but it didn't burn out.
Bro, I ended up on somebody's street. I don't know what these autos.
Oh, yeah. Man, I'm so glad we were able to find shade, bro. It's deadly out there. Sun, man.
Maybe I have to get these off. 'Cause, man,
Got the dogs out, baby.
One of the last comments. I know you're not about to put that on the U-Haul. It went on the U-Haul.
It was on the U-Haul, brother. Wait to put a drip in.
got cookie here.
Alright guys, shit was a success. The limo made it 3 hours over here to Porterville. And now we got 3 hours right back.
Yes, sir. And hopefully we get home safe.
Everything's gonna be good.
Yes, man.
Diesel in the pit. I don't even know this. There's a regular
Yeah, but I think everybody's gone already, so I think it's time for us to go home too.
to wrap before we are gonna catch some traffic, you know, with the limo it's a little bit more difficult with that 408. We got green and shifted. But let's get back home.
Niggas still hating on my grind with a love back Christ. Hold up. Wait a minute, if it ain't about the money, calm down. Let